Hey everyone, in this video we'll talk about changing your email address in CapCut. In order to do so, first off, here we are on the home page of CapCut, and there are a couple places here that you might think to look for something like this. If you go to the top right hand corner, you'll see the settings icon. However, if you look through the settings, you are not going to find any information related to changing your email address. Even under account here, the only option is to delete your account. If we go to the top left-hand corner, you'll see your account icon and username here. And right next to that is an icon that looks like two arrows pointing in the opposite direction. If we click on that, then you're going to see the option to sign out. We're going to go ahead and sign out, and then we're going to sign in again. And here on the sign in page, you're going to see that you have four options. You can either sign in with TikTok, you can use a QR code, or you can sign in with Facebook or Google. So there is no specific option here to change your email address. The only way that you can change your email address is to change it through one of these services. So for example, if you wanted to change your email address then with Google, then you're going to have to create a new account with a new email address and then sign in with that account. Same thing goes for Facebook and for TikTok as well. You can use a QR code. So if you have the CapCut app on your phone, then you can scan this here to sign in. However, same issue applies. You are going to need one of these services in order to be able to log in. Let's go ahead and try here. See, this is just to log in with your account. Once you have that here, once you're in the account here, then you can log in from the profile that's on your phone. So if you have your profile already on your phone, then you can scan this code and it will log you in here on the PC version. But you're still in the same situation where the only way to change your email address is actually to change it on one of these three options through TikTok, Facebook, or Google. So most likely, I would expect that if you wanted to update your email address, you would be updating it through Google. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.